So in this video, you'll learn how to enable or disable add new apps to home screen on your Samsung Galaxy A56, A36, or A26. So this is basically a feature that simply allows any installed apps to be added directly to the home screen instead of it going to the App Store and then you being forced to add it to the home screen later. So in order for you to enable this feature, you need to open the Settings app. And then under Settings, you want to scroll and select Home Screen. From here, scroll down until you find this option, Add New Apps to Home Screen. And all you want to do is just tap on the toggle like that to enable it. Once enabled, you'll now notice that if you install any of the apps from the app drawer or from your Galaxy store, so say for example Glover, if I install it, so it's been installed successfully. And so now whenever I go to glance at my home screen, you can see the app icon is there and also available in the apps drawer. However, if you choose to have this feature disabled like that, then you'll now notice that any installed apps on your phone, say for example, Imagine, if I install it, and then glance at my home screen, you'll now notice that the app is not available here. So if I ever want to add it to my home screen so that it's easy for me to access it, I'll have to start by opening the App Store, looking for the app icon, long pressing on it, selecting Add to Home so that it can be added to the home screen on my phone. So it's completely up to you to decide how you're going to use this feature on your Galaxy A56, A26, or A36. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.